Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Ledger to your Kraken wallet. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Ledger Live app or website and then click on this accounts option. From this accounts page, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you are going to transfer. I'm transferring the XRP, so I will just click on XRP from here. After that, you have to click on this send button from this screen and then you will be able to see this window. So on here, you just have to paste the wallet address from your Kraken wallet. So open up your Kraken wallet and then click on this explore button from the bottom of your screen. And on this search bar, you have to search for the cryptocurrency that you are going to receive. So I will just type XRP and select the XRP from search results. After that, you just have to click on this more button from this screen and then click on this deposit from this window. And then it will give you some instructions that you have to follow. So first thing you have to do is include the destination tag and you can only deposit XRP from Ripple network. Depositing the other assets from this network will be lost, and the minimum that you can transfer or deposit is 0.001 XRP. So just click on this I understand button and then just click on this address button and your wallet address will be copied. Now go back to the Ledger Live app or website and paste the wallet address in this area and then click on continue. And lastly, you also have to paste the tag. So just click on this tag button and paste the tag in this tag section and then click on continue. And then you just have to enter the amount, how much you are going to transfer, and then click on continue. Lastly, you have to confirm this transfer. So make sure wallet address and the amount is correct and click on continue. And then you just have to confirm this action on your device. So you have to press this button on your Ledger device. And once you do that, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Ledger to your Kraken. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.